everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Will It Survive in Equestrian? Today we are not going to be testing out makeup, we're actually going to be testing out a protective hand cream. Invisible riding gloves in a bottle. So basically in these videos I pick a beauty product, wear it all day, go to my riding lesson, and we see how it holds up through heat, sweat, humidity, wind, rain, all the possible harsh elements you could think of. We see how well it still looks at the end of the day. So as always, out of the literally billion other YouTube creators out there, thank you so much for choosing to watch me test out a hand cream today. Be sure and give this video a like so it's easier for other people to find, and subscribe to see more of me in the future. You can also check out my second channel, Allison Adventure, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cantering Gorgeous. But for now, let's get on with this one. Okay, so I have the Avon Silicone Glove Protective Hand Cream. And this says it's a skin softening formula that helps protect against dryness. This is a 3.4 ounce bottle. You can get it for like $5, though I saw it on sale for like $2. I think I saw it on eBay and Amazon. I don't know if they're discontinuing this product or not. And from what I saw online, this got some really high reviews. This had like 4 5-star reviews. So a lot of people obviously like this hand cream. Now I kind of got this idea because this says it's a protective hand cream. When you ride horses, you work outside, you basically do anything like physical with your hands. It's important to protect them. I know people are always on my case about wearing gloves so I don't ruin my hands, even though my hands are really even not, I don't feel like my hands are even in that good of condition though. So it is important to make sure you protect your hands, make sure you always put some kind of lotion or cream on them. Okay, so this does have silicone in it. It's very simple ingredients, but this does have silicone in it. Some people might not like that. Personally, I don't mind. Where I live in a very dry, arid climate. Out of a whole entire year, we will only get a little bit of rain, like a couple inches of rain. That's exaggerated. It does rain a little bit. I mean, at most, we might get like 10 inches of rain the whole entire year. It is very hot and dry where I live. It's important to seal whatever type of moisture there is into your hands, so I don't mind using silicone. It actually probably is good in such a dry climate. Okay, so let's just get started. It has a very, like, Avon scent to it. I don't know, it just smells like plain scented lotion. It looks like it's white. So I'm gonna put a pretty good amount into my hands. We're just gonna smear this all over. It is a very thick lotion, like thick. It feels nice. It feels soft. I guess we just keep rubbing it in. Okay, so my hands feel really nice and soft. They feel moisturized, but it's not greasy. You know, it's dried down pretty nicely. They just feel nice. I don't know. I like it so far. Now my mom had actually got this from a woman that she knows that sells Avon, and she's been using it like in the kitchen, and she says when you wash your hands you do feel it like washing off. So I guess it does stick around, you know, a good amount of time. So I'm gonna go to my riding lesson. It is about 7:45 in the morning right now. I'm gonna do all the things like groom my horse and trailer loading and handling ropes and picking hooves, and grooming your horse is all really rough on your hands. I'm gonna see if I can get away with not wearing gloves during my lesson, like actually riding my horse. So we'll see how well that works too. I think that is everything, and I will see you at the next update. Okay, so I am back. It is the end of the day. It is about 4:25 right now. It's one of those riding days where the sunscreen has gotten in your eyes and it's really burning and irritating them, and your hair is driving you crazy because you can't like fix it the way you want. That's the kind of end of day I'm having. First and foremost, I am here to give you an update on the invisible gloves. So I did not wear my gloves when I actually was riding, and that probably was not that smart because I did not have a very good grip. So about halfway through the day, the hand cream had worn off. I couldn't feel anything like, you know, like when you have lotion, you can feel it washing off. I could not feel anything washing off anymore. My hands do feel nice. They don't feel, you know, I washed them a couple of times. They don't feel overly dry, but they don't feel like you just put a whole bunch of nice hand cream on them. So the main question here is, did this survive at Equestrian? Halfway. I don't want to fully say no, but it did not last the entire day. I definitely would have needed to put more of this on halfway, like after lunch, to do the rest of the day. This is really, really good hand cream, but I can see why it gets such high reviews. I guess I expected it to more be like a thicker silicone layer that I would feel washing off. Not just, this is a really, really thick hand cream that only lasts halfway through the day. So I think the title is a little bit like slightly misleading, but this is really, really good hand cream. It's not to the level of wearing actual gloves though. Wear your gloves riding, wear your gloves doing rough work. That's important. And use this hand cream too, because it just, your skin really nice and soft. But this is not really a protective hand cream, at least I don't feel like. So that is everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed. It's always fun testing out new things, finding really good products or finding not so good products. And I want to continue to keep making these kinds of videos. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!